to the channel. This is your friend Shinobi, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you my minimal home screen setup that I have on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. As you can see in this setup, the wallpaper especially which inspired this whole setup is from an app called as Spaghetti Walls. So I'll leave the links for all the apps and other things which I have used in this particular setup in the description below, so you can check them out from here. And yes, the app is called as Spaghetti Walls and the wallpaper number is 225 as I recall. So yes, this is the wallpaper. Download the app and get the wallpaper from there. And the launcher of my choice for today's setup is Nova Launcher 7. Yeah, Nova Launcher recently went through a whole redesign, and yeah, this is Nova 7, a completely new Nova Launcher. And the grid layout that I'm using for this setup is 9x7. I'll also leave the Nova backup file in the description below so that you can directly download it and restore it and get the layout as per my setup. So yes, the grid layout is 9x7 and the dock is off. I have kept the dock off, and the icon size is 80% and the labels are off. I have also hidden the notification bar for a more cleaner look, and I've kept the notification badges on. Alright, so as you can see, this is a pretty minimal and straightforward setup, kind of similar to my other setups also. So in here I have two widgets, one date and time widget and one music player widget, and there are a few of my most used apps or icons. So this icon pack that you're seeing is from an app or icon pack called as Lines Free. It's a free icon pack and it has quite a bit of icons and they look absolutely minimal and amazing, and it is called as Lines. Download it from the link in the description. Alright, now the icon pack has been sorted. Now let's move on to the first widget, that is the date widget. So the date widget is from a KWGT pack. Yes, I'm using KWGT Widget Maker Pro for all of these widgets. So the widget pack is called as Desaturate for KWGT and the specific widget number is F8. Alright, and I've tweaked it a little bit. So if you can see on the default widget, the date is filled in. Okay, the colors are filled in the date. So I've removed that fill to just stroke. So the outer lines are there. It looks more minimal and it matches with the icon pack. So yes, I've done that after going into the details of that particular widget. You can do it from the KWGT Widget Maker. Alright, so the widget number is F8 and the widget pack is called as Desaturate. And yeah, it changes, it shows the time in this particular like word manner. It shows the date and the time, and it looks pretty cool and really amazing. Alright, moving on, below we have a music player widget. And this particular music player widget is from a KWGT widget pack called as Mini Music for KWGT. And the widget number is 100. Yeah, this one also looks pretty amazing. In this one also, I've also tweaked the song name. Okay, so it also came in with a fill-in color. So I removed the fill and changed it to stroke. And yeah, this look and matches our entire whole setup. And yeah, this also changes with the song. It shows the song name and all that. So it's pretty cool. You can play or pause your music. You can skip and to the next and previous track from this widget. And yeah, it works really well and it looks absolutely amazing on this setup. So these are the three parts of the first page of this setup. I do have another page where I keep my other most used icons or app, and the Lines icon pack is again applied there. And yeah, up top we have a weather widget. This is the like default weather widget which comes with Samsung phones, because only from this widget we can access the Samsung weather app. That's why I've kept it, and it looks pretty minimal and pretty amazing. So yeah, this is the Samsung weather widget along with a few icons. So these are the two pages in my current home screen setup, and everything works pretty well. The gestures and all work pretty well. I don't have the Google home page and all that, because if you swipe down on like Nova Launcher, it gives you the search bar and you can set it to Google if you want. So yes, that's one thing. And yeah, this is my entire setup which I've been going on. This is my minimal home screen setup at the moment on my S20 Plus, and I absolutely love it. It looks amazing on AMOLED screens, and it's gonna also look amazing on LCD screens regardless of the display. Yes, but yeah, especially on AMOLED this looks amazing. This wallpaper is simply great, and overall I love this setup a lot. So if you also love it, then go check out the links in the description, download everything and set it up yourself. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like if you like this video, and definitely subscribe to the channel to see more amazing home screen setups like this. And yes, with that said, I'm your friend Shinobi and I'm signing out. Peace.
I grew up around the dope dealers, cold-blooded killers. I can never hesitate to go and put a hold on you. Whole things, I done seen them whole things. Living life lavish, yeah. Different car, same country, different week.